Are you jumping or not?
I'm waiting for my photographer to get
Your
himself
personal
together.
photographer.
Yeah, yeah. Don't forget to check that it's actually filming.
See you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Where'd he go over here? We lost him.
That's Olympic level.
Great Britain, 4 points.
Do a quick walkthrough on the boat, make sure everything's good. Picking up that anchor soon.
We are sitting here with our guests.
Yeah, just before you started filming, Ian stretched himself up to give himself a better body
I did breathe in slightly.
Yeah, yeah.
That's smart. You should learn from him.
None of us on film.
And Captain could learn.
So I just woke up this morning to get some really good news. And yet, have you ever seen those videos on television where you have this dog and they always like say, "Did you do that?" And they all look like all those little puppies. All right, so which one of you guys did it?
I think it was this one. Yeah, so the toilet's blocked and it's been...
What happened?
The toilet is blocked or one of the mechanisms not working properly.
Is that a fish? Or
That's my impression of what I imagine the mechanism to be like underneath. But yeah, so the toilet's blocked and it's getting the every time we flush the toilet, it's rising and rising and rising, and it's got to the top. So
we already did one thing. We emptied the toilet. So you two have to go fill the toilet back up, and then we can film emptying it to get it down to the level it is. So get to work.
Everyone sees all this glamorous life on the sea, sailing, but this is the reality of having to work out how to fix these everyday problems. We don't really want to be going for pee-pee off the back of the boat in front of all the
There
posh
are
people.
women on the boat, so please don't.
Oh yeah, in front of the ladies.
I don't know if there's any posh people out here.
What are you talking? How about me?
No, except for one. Most of the posh people are in there.
Yeah, so that's this morning's activity.
So how did it work, that thing? Who did it?
Who did it?
Did you find out?
I don't know. I was hoping that the film is going to show which one looks more guilty.
They both wearing sunglasses. They are two poker players.
Yeah, it's like an episode of Praro.
Yeah, we get Miss Marple to come and...
All I know was you!
Yeah.
Or was it you?
I think it'd be Columbo.
Yeah.
Just one more thing. When you had a dump, did you use tissue paper?
Just one thing. Is the mechanism on the...
Yeah, the mechanism that Ian's invented.
Is it always closed?
Did you use your right hand or your left hand for the bum gun?
Because it seems to me you always use your right hand. And you walk in there with your left hand with the tissue paper.
Stopper seems to be just a little bit hard, so we'll replace that and we'll try it out.
I think we're off the hook. It's a deteriorated stopper.
Oh, okay.
So the stopper needs replacing.
Oh,
So Ken says it's not too difficult to fix.
I found some toilet paper in there.
She's coming back.
He's really angry.
So what did you find, Kenny?
I think I found a bad stopper.
So did we blame them for no reason?
I never would blame them. I just asked a question. Did you use the right hand or the left hand? Are we allowed to stay on the boat? Yeah! You know, I think this is the problem. So let's get the new one in and let's just try it out with some water. Well, that didn't fix it. He's got something he has to do this afternoon, so he's got to do it. He's got to get over here now.
Okay, what's happening, Ken? Give us a rundown.
Well, it looks like this hose has been completely filled in. Oh, it looks awesome. So now we gotta undo all this stuff and hopefully we're gonna be able to get this thing cleaned up.
Sure. I have a tea time.
Coffee maybe?
Oh, here we go. All right.
Oh, look. And that's just... It could be... No, that's it. I wonder if bits of like sand or something I got down there as well, but that looks like calcium to me.
It's a good job I'm fasting, otherwise if I block that within half an hour.
So just when Ken was hoping to get out of here early in the morning, this revealed itself.
That's beautiful.
Utterly clogged up. Yeah. So Ken, the joys of that was a proper workout you had this morning. That was like going to the gym.
Yeah, that's why I don't get much of a workout, because I'm always trying to fix things.
So
But
now
it looks like we'll get this one fixed and get out of here.
now we're off to try and find this part. Is there a local shop around here? Have you used it before?
I didn't know about it, but the mechanic said that there's a place, K-Pop Marine or something like that.
Okay, next stop.
So we replaced all the hose because it was completely full. So we placed the hose all the way down here to the toilet. This hose here. It was pretty easy to do, and we'll just we'll clean up a little bit, and we're heading to Nai Harn Beach.
And of course we checked our engine, what we planned in the beginning. That's why we came to Phuket Yacht Haven Marina to start with. And it seems like everything was kind of okay. There was just a little bit things to fix. So we did that. And meanwhile, the boys had their own fun.
Yeah, that's quite. Yeah, I like it.
Oh, keep it up, keep it up, keep the front up. Front up, please. Steve, this way. Take me to the restaurant.
Why are you coming back so quick?
No, he's my favourite cousin.
I've only got
Got his way. It's a good workout, isn't it?
bit of off-roading.
Why's the big one over there? No! No, I thought I'm getting scared now. I'm getting scared. Safe word. What's the safe word? Pineapple. I don't think it's meant to be like that. Oh. No, listen, my back, my back. Let me see how it works. I can see my back.
That's a safe board.
Thank you.
And this is where you get to say,
300 baht. And I go, what, 300 baht for that? You go, yeah, 300 baht.
do you want to go?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, hello there.
Wow, hello.
Everybody has that.
Yeah.
And so do I. So, what are you up to?
Well, we just got our engine looked at. For all you people that sail around, you know, I'm one for making sure you get the Volvo Penta guys on if you have a Volvo Penta engine every, you know, couple of years or every year, just to make sure everything's right. We had them on today. Everything's working great. And we also had a problem with the toilet, which I'm sure you're going to see in this video.
Wasn't me. Camera pans left.
And then they started finger pointing game. So that was hilarious, but it wasn't their fault. It's on a record. It wasn't their fault. But it was still funny to see the reaction.
Yeah, it looks like it was done over several years.
What's next for today? I can see we're moving, huh?
We're going to try to get down to Nai Harn after we get out around the corner, and we're leaving at the wrong time. Should leave on a high to low.
So we didn't make it to the Nai Harn. We stopped by the island along the way, and guess what?
That was a bit close.
So there was some fun going on. But now they're a little bit too shy, camera shy.
Oh, yeah. It's all about the noses, isn't it? All aboard.
Nice sunset over there.
Because we're kind of in advance, we're going to be So how was your day today?
My day was fantastic. Thank you very much, Ken.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Terrific.
From the very morning.
Yeah.
How'd you like driving Aquarius?
Oh, that was the highlight of the year. It's only the 11th, but it's still the highlight of the year.
How are you doing, babe?
Awesome.
That's good. And I think it's time to go to sleep.
Oh, hey. Yeah, so we're doing 32 miles an hour and we're in 3rd gear and I'm just about to take it up to 4th gear and we got a little downhill coming up, so yeah, looking good today. So how fast would we go in if we were on the engine right now?
About 5.9.
Okay, and what are we doing now on the sails?
Well, 6.2, but a little while ago we were doing about 8.
Okay, so we're making good time on the sails then compared to the motor.
Yeah, you sound so professional.
That's because I am a professional.
But that's the place that we were at for a long time during the pandemic. That's the first spot we anchored. And then after that, and that's called Ao Yan. So we were right here in Ao Yan. Then we moved around and came over to here, which is in Shalong Bay, Ao Shalong. And then we anchored over here for a little while too, and that's at Koh Lan. So this is Nai Harn Beach. How do you like it so far?
I like it a lot.
And I think that the number of people here now is just perfect. Unlike before, this place was a zoo. And it would have been crowded right now with tons of people, but now, just the right amount of people. What do you think?
I agree.
What'd you get there?
Coconut. Look how pretty.
It's time for another massage.